old designated camping area. They do not label these roads very well. They do a good job with the wildlife management areas and the state parks, but labeling these roads is not one of their strong suits. Parking area. Dead end. Let's check out that creek over there, see what's going on with it. I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but there's a little fish right there. Looks like he's about 5-6 inches, probably 6. Must be a little bass of some sort. This is an awful lot of water just for a spring coming out the side of a mountain, isn't it? Very interesting, very neat. So we're going to start off for the cave. I've got to put my National Park pass, my senior lifetime pass, on the Jeep. There's 3 fish. Maybe a little brim there, I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. They're probably looking for for us to throw breadcrumbs. There, now you can see them in there. We'll go over to the other side and check that out too. From the other side of the blue hole. There's a lot of water coming out of here. Hear the cow? the blue hole. Got some pretty good pictures of it, and the Department of Natural Resources employee said that the cave was not a just stick your head in cave. It was this, you know, this is a professional caver's cave. You don't want to be crawling around in there and not know what you're doing. We got some goats running along here. Look at there. Look at a little bitty goat. Got us a dog in the road. Some mountain folk up here. That gate is closed. We cannot go there. Private property, no trespassing. That is a private enterprise. No, that's a state. No, I can't tell. I think it is a private enterprise. It looked like a state vehicle, but I don't think it is. Yeah, that's a Chevrolet truck. All these state trucks have been Fords. Facility closed. Authorized personnel only. I don't know what kind of facility it is, but so we will turn the camera back off.